Did you notice some round dials in front of the driver in bus while you are traveling by bus? Otherwise, in vehicles, cars, in the dashboard, in bikes, in front of the rider, there are two or three round dials will be there. Inside that, there will be one needle shows some readings. Do you know what for that? Yes, very good. It shows the speed of the vehicle, isn't it? There are two or three dials will be there. One small one, it shows the fuel, the quantity, how much it is, it shows the fuel. And one dial, it is somewhat bigger, it shows the speed of the vehicle, means at that time, at that instant, what speed the vehicle is moving, with what speed the vehicle is moving. It shows the speed of the vehicle. That dial is known as speedometer. What is that? Speedometer. And one more dial will be there. That shows the distance, not the instant distance. It gives the total distance, how long the vehicle move, the motion of the vehicle, how much the distance covered by the vehicle from the starting of the ride. Not that one. When we are buying a new vehicle, for example, if we are buying a scooter, after that, from the starting day to till now, how much distance, total distance it's covered, that will be shown by another dial, that is called odometer. What is that? Odometer. Speedometer, which gives the instant speed of the vehicle. At that moment, what speed the vehicle is going, that is given by the speedometer. And odometer means the total distance covered by the vehicle will be shown by the odometer. Is it clear, students? Okay. And I think nowadays it is what? IPL is going on, isn't it? The cricket team, game is going on. And if we don't have the time to watch the full match, in between we can get the idea about the match. How? Because at the lower end of the screen they will show what over it is, how much run they took, who is batting, and all those things they will show, isn't it? But in between the overs they will show they will compare the both team at that over, how they are. The last bat team, how they were in that over. It may be a 6th over or 9th over. In that over, how were they? What their run rate and what their wicket falling and all are like the same at that over. Now the batting team, what they are doing, all they will compare, and they will give what? Yes, one picture they will show with a line. They will compare this much till this over they lost 2 wickets, and this team lost 1 or 2 wickets and they got this much run, and this team scored this much run. Like that they will compare with that that picture. And you may saw like the same in the weather reports, otherwise in the business page of the newspaper. You may saw those pictures, how it is increasing and decreasing, otherwise if it increase, like those all. Do you get any idea about what picture that is? Yes, graph. So next we are going to discuss about the distance time graph. Because the graph will give a quick glance about the incident what's happened. For example, in our school, the last 10-year result, if you are given by data, to reading the data, go through the data and get a conclusion, it will take time. But in a graphic manner we present that data, it is very easier in which year how much result we got, and easily we can get that idea. And you also very familiar the graphs in maths, isn't it? The data applied in the graph, it gives a clear idea about what we are coming to see. In our textbook itself, in this chapter itself, the starting of this portion, we discussed about these two picture. On seeing these two picture, we said which car is going fast, which is in back, by their position, by comparing the two pictures and comparing the position which car is going fast. But in these pictures give only one time idea about their speed, and also the magnitude, means the numerical value of speed we can't get by this pictures. But through the graphs we can get the all values and also all clear ideas. And the graphs there are more types. Those are line graphs. Line graph means it will be like line, straight line or curved line, like that. Line graphs we will use. Otherwise bar graphs. Bar graph means instead of the line we will use bars, like this. The bars like this too shows in which what time. All these things you may watch you may notice it in the games, in sports and business, and in the weather reports, like that, isn't it? In TVs and also in newspapers you may watch. And also you are familiar with these graphs in maths also. And one more thing is pie graph. Pie graph or pie diagram, it is a circular one, and like this, by given data we will divide the circle like this, isn't it? So this is called pie graph, bar graph and line graph.